the Sony A7C is a great camera that you can use for vlog. So today we're putting that into test. I am using the kit lens. Everything is stock. I haven't done any mode to it. When we say mode, maybe by a new prime lens kit and whatnot. So I'm using just what the camera has offered straight out of the box so that we can really see how capable this camera is. So the good thing about this camera, it's also water seal. So I'm kind of lucky to have a water seal camera. I can record. It's raining, but I can still record, and everything that I'm using are water seal. The gimbal that I'm using is water seal, and the camera is water seal. I'm using the kit lens. I haven't bought a new lens yet. I'm using the kit lens so you can see what you can get with the kit lens. Right now the kit is set to 28 millimeters, but this one is 28 to 60 millimeters, and everything is in auto. I just set it to auto because the weather is not that nice, so I don't have time to play around with ISO, and because I'm moving, sometime I will get a different light coming through the lens. So I just wanted it to do the work itself. I didn't have the setting on 28 millimeters. That's why I saw my face was so close to the lens, but now I set it on 28 millimeters, and man, still you can get this nice background, the blur background, which is really nice. Again, this is a real place. I'm at the real place, so it's not just like something that I put on a green screen. But it's raining. It's raining. I don't want to hold my camera too much longer on the rain, but I just want to show you how you can use this camera for vlog. And although it's cloudy, there isn't much light coming in, but with the kit lens you can still have these nice beautiful images. It is so nice to visit this place. Final thought about this camera, I have to say it's been a great purchase I've done, and I don't regret it, because the result that I'm getting so far, I'm very satisfied with those results compared to other cameras that I've used. But for now, this camera is just doing a great job, and next I can't wait to get a very nice prime lens, put a prime lens to it, and see what result I get. Until next time guys, if you have any questions, leave in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I will highly encourage you to subscribe so you don't miss any episode I release for doing tests on this camera.